Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, .NET developer. In this video, I'm going to explain the common function used in SQLite database. There are not many functions, only few functions. So I just want to explain one by one. First of all, this is our database mydb.db. So in this database, we have a two table actually. Um, right, so we have a parent table and we have a child table. So the child table is related with the parent table uh, by the parent id. You can see this id is associated with this parent id of child table. Okay, and Michael and Rooney has no children actually. You can see only four, up to four only we have. So now we are going to use only parent table. So the first method, the function is count. So if you want to get the count, the number of rows from the table, so you can write query like this: select count bracket. With the bracket, we need to uh, mention the star. Star means all, right? So select count star from parent. So it will give us 6 because we have 6 records, right? So that's why it shows 6, right? So this is how we can use the count function in our SQLite database select statement. So in the next video, I'll come with a different function. Yeah, I hope you can understand the count function in this video. Thank you.